time 9 p.m. bulletins. I'm Modiha Said with international headlines. Princess Latifa hostage ordeal of Dubai ruler daughters revealed. The daughter of Dubai's ruler who tried to flee their country in 2018 later sent secret video message to friend accusing her father of holding her hostage as she feared for her life. Independent commissions to investigate Capitol riots. The US established on outside independent commissions to investigate the 6 January attack on the US Capitol by supporters of Donald Trump. Myanmar Cop Army promises new elections amid protest. Myanmar military has repeated its promise to hold new elections and relinquish power as anti-cop protests continue across the country. U.S. snow winter storm tightens grip in southern states authorized across the U.S. are on alerts as a winter storm brings freezing winds, ice and snow to many areas that really see such a frigid condition. North Korea man caught by South after crossing border. South Korea has caught a suspected North Korean man after he crossed the heavily fortified demilitarization zone between two countries. The US top infectious diseases expert Anthony Fauci has been awarded a prestigious $1 million Israeli prize for his commitment to science. New Zealand lashes at Australia in citizenships row over terror suspect New Zealand. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has accused Australia of abdicating its responsibilities amid a row over a woman accused of having links to the Islamic State.